YouTube, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I have a project that I took on from Jeff in Connecticut. A friend of a friend brought it over here or pointed him in my direction. And let's look at what we got. All right, we got an 066 here. First one that I've ever been around. First one I've ever had my hands on. So I guess the story behind this is he bought it from a guy that was a logger, no longer needed it, upgraded, whatever he did. But I don't know how long that he ran it, but it ended up needing the top end. So Jeff put a brand new OEM top end on it. I'm not sure how long ago. I don't think it's been run a lot. And he said it just lacks power. It just doesn't have the power it should have. He knew the carburetor wasn't all that good on it, so he bought a brand new Tillotson carburetor for it, so that's on there. The saw does run, it idles, it accelerates. I did not try and cut with it. What I want to do first is I'm going to tear it down and I'm just going to pressure and vacuum test it and make sure that's all good before I go any further. So I'll take some of this apart. I'll get my stuff set up. I may show you some of the pieces. I think you've seen that before. A lot of you guys know how to do this. But anyways, that's where I'm at, and I'll catch you in a bit. All right, so I get everything hooked up here. Obviously, well, most of you guys have seen this before. The steel plate right here. Okay, get a steel plate to block off your exhaust. There's a piece of rubber. You could use inner tube. You could use whatever you wanted. You could make this piece out of wood, hard plastic. Basically, you just want to block off that exhaust port to seal the whole engine assembly so you can tell which seals are leaking. Crank seals, intake, impulse line, base gasket, any of that stuff. So this is the other... Whoop, that fell down. Sorry about that. Kind of hard to do here. So this is the factory Stihl adapter right here. But look, if you look down in here, this plugs in. This Torx bit goes in there. It extends a little bit, the screw, and it can test your impulse line. A lot of you guys all know that. So if I can pressurize this, I have vacuum and pressurized this already, so I know where it's leaking, but I'm going to show you. Hopefully this doesn't drive you crazy with this. I have limited amount of room here, and hopefully this doesn't drive you crazy when I'm pumping this thing moving around here. So we're going to get it up to about 7 pounds. It's taking a bit. Here, come on now. And believe it or not, I can actually already hear it. So if you look down at the impulse line down here, let's see if we can do this. See if I can get some. Come on now. Is that in the right spot? It's tough. Let's check this out again. I think you guys can see that. So anyways, so needs the impulse line taken care of, but that doesn't mean that's it. There could be more. I'll probably take the clutch and everything off after, but that's it. I just wanted to put up a little something to get into the process of repairing this saw, and that's about it for tonight. So stay tuned. Thank you.